Hello everyone, this is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. 10 English version student, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will discuss some important MCQ and 1 and 2 long questions from the chapter 12. Okay, heredity in organisms and evolution. Okay, please be attentive. First one, what is heredity? Okay, heredity is the passing of traits from father and mother to their offspring through generation. Okay, heredity is the passing of traits. Okay, বৈশিষ্ট্য হ্যাঁ traits from father and mother to their offspring through generation to generation. This is called heredity. Then what is heredity materials? Heredity materials are chromosomes, gene, DNA and RNA. Okay, there are 4 hereditary materials: chromosome, gene, DNA and RNA. What is the main hereditary material? The main hereditary material is the chromosome. Okay, main hereditary material is the chromosome. Who discovered? Scientist Sturge-Berger first discovered the chromosome in 1975. Okay, 1975. Sturge-Berger. What do you mean by diploid set of chromosome? Okay, diploid set of chromosome means twice and diploid set chromosome means 2 set chromosome, 1 set from the father and 1 set from the mother. That is called diploid, and haploid is either father nor mother. Okay. What is the number of diploid set of chromosome in organisms? These may be 2 to 16. Okay, 1600. 2 থেকে 1600. Maybe the diploid number of chromosome may be 2 to 1600. The length of a chromosome 3.5 to 30 micron. Okay, and width is 0.2 to 2.0. Okay, 0.2 to 2.0 micron. So length is 3.5 to 30 and width is 0.2 to 2 micron. What is the full meaning of DNA? The DNA full meaning is deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, and RNA full meaning is ribonucleic acid. DNA is usually a double-strand spiral structure of polynucleotide. Then polynucleotides is made up of 5-carbon sugar, nitrogen base and inorganic phosphate. So your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 5-carbon sugar, nitrogen base. Here there are 2 types of nitrogen base, purine and pyrimidine. Okay, purine means A and G, adenine and guanine are purines and cytosine and thiamine are pyrimidines. So 2 types of nitrogen base, purine and pyrimidine. Okay, so 5-carbon sugar, nitrogen base and inorganic phosphate made up of polynucleotide. Okay, who discovered? In 1953, American scientist Watson and British scientist Crick first described the double helix structure of DNA. Okay, 1953 American scientists. So Watson and Crick first discovered the DNA. Okay, then go to the length. The length of a complete twist in DNA. Okay, a complete twist in a helix is 34 degree angstrom long. Okay, and in a complete twist there are 10 nucleotides. How many nucleotides? 10 nucleotides in a complete twist. In a complete twist long is 34 degree angstrom, and a complete twist in a helix Okay, there are 10 nucleotides. So the length between the two adjacent nucleotides 34 के 10 দিয়ে divide करो. Okay, 34 divide 10 equals to 3.4 degree angstrom. So the length between the two adjacent nucleotide is 3.4 degree angstrom. Okay, and uh, the diameter, okay, diameter between two spiral, okay, it is composed of thousand of nucleotide, and the diameter of twist helical structure, okay, diameter of twist helical structure everywhere 20 degree angstrom. Okay, so length 34 and twist helical structure everywhere 20 degree angstrom. DNA is the main component and chemical carrier of heredity. DNA is the main component and chemical carrier of heredity. Okay, then go to RNA. RNA full meaning is ribonucleic acid. Okay, RNA is composed of same as DNA, 5 carbon sugar, 5 carbon ribose sugar, inorganic phosphate and nitrogen base. Here nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Okay, in DNA here thymine, but in RNA here uracil. Uracil short form is U. Okay, and full meaning of TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. TMV is a RNA virus. Okay, what is the name of TMV virus? This is a RNA virus. Here DNA is absent. The viruses which are not composed of DNA possess RNA as their nucleic acid. Okay, so TMV is RNA virus, tobacco mosaic virus. Then go to gene. What is gene? The unit of controlling all the visible and invisible sign and characters of organism is called the gene. Okay, called the gene. And what is locus? The location of a gene throughout a chromosome. The location of a gene. Okay, the location of a gene throughout a chromosome is called the locus. Here one reaction, DNA, RNA, then produce protein, then produce characteristics. Okay, DNA, RNA, protein and characteristics. DNA first converted RNA, then converted protein, and then it is bears some characters. Okay, here a process is responsible for DNA transfer to RNA. Okay, this is known as transcription. Okay, this is known as transcription. And RNA converted protein, this is known as translation. Okay, transcription and translation. First one transcription and second one translation, the name of the process. Okay, then Mendel's first law of Mendel's, the ratio is 3:1. Okay, the ratio is first law of Mendel, the ratio is 3:1. Here 3 tall and 1 short or dot. Okay, 1 short. The Mendel's first law 3:1, 3 tall and 1 short. First law of Mendel 3:1. And 1866. Okay, full name is Gregor Johann Mendel. Okay, Gregor Johann Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Okay, did some experiment with pea plants in 1866 and discovered a valuable theory of genetics. Okay, the factor takes the presently glamorous from known as the gene. Gregor Johann Mendel is called the father of genetics. Okay, tall and short, so they fuse together and gamete produce. Okay, tall and short gamete produce, and first one generation all plants are long. Okay, long or tall. And in second generation, F2 generation, here 3 out of 4 tall and 1 out of 4 is short. ঠিক আছে, 4 এর 3 tall এবং 4 এর 1 হবে short in F2 generation. So this is the first law of Mendel. Then second law. Second law is not essential for you, but you know the ratio 9:3:3:1. Total number will be 16. Okay, 9:3:3:1. Then go to DNA replication. DNA replication, which process half conservative way. Okay, half conservative way. Then the DNA base ATCG, here A combine T by 2 hydrogen bond and C combine G by 3 hydrogen bond. Okay, ATCG 2 and 3. Okay, then semi-conservative method. In 1956, Watson and Crick first successfully proposed the replication process of DNA. When 1956, okay, same scientists Watson and Crick first successfully proposed the replication process of DNA. Then what is DNA test? A scientific and practical method of DNA test is called DNA fingerprinting. Okay, DNA fingerprinting. The name DNA typing or DNA testing is also used. Okay, DNA fingerprinting, DNA typing, DNA testing. And for the DNA testing, first requirement is an organic specimen. Okay, organic specimen will be teeth, hair, blood, saliva. So your answer will be all. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Organic specimen will be teeth, hair, blood and saliva. So your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then which enzyme is used for cutting DNA? Restriction enzyme. Okay, restriction enzyme. And which process? Electrophoresis by agarose or polyacrylamide gel. Okay, is necessary for DNA test. Which paper? Nitrocellulose paper. Okay, the name of the paper nitrocellulose. I repeat, nitrocellulose paper. Okay, what is the then what what is the full meaning of what is the full meaning of PCR? PCR means polymerase chain reaction. Okay, this is polymerase chain reaction. Yes, sir. Polymerase chain reaction. The number of chromosome in human body In human body, the number of chromosome is 46. That means 23 pairs. Okay, 46, that means 23 pairs. Among them, here 22 pairs is called autosome and 1 pairs is called sex chromosome, and sex chromosome is XX and XY. In male, here 2 chromosome XY, and in female 2 chromosome XX. Here X chromosome is long and Y chromosome is short. Okay, in case of man, sex chromosome X and Y, XX double X. Okay, women are in case of male X and Y. Here Y chromosome is short. Okay, then go to color blind. Color blindness is a condition when someone cannot properly identify colors. Color blindness is a condition when someone cannot properly identify colors. Okay, to identify colors, we have pigments in our optical nerve cells. In color blind, the patient is deficient of color identifying pigment in their optical nerve. Okay, in color blind, the patient is deficient of color identifying pigment in their optical nerve. Okay, first one, they cannot identify or differentiated red and green color. Okay, they would not able to differentiated red and green, and then blue and yellow. Okay, if lacking more than one pigment besides red and green, the patient cannot differentiate the color blue and yellow. Okay, optical nerve identify pigment in their optical nerve, so they cannot identify color properly. What is thalassemia? Thalassemia is a disease of abnormal state of red blood cells. Okay, thalassemia is a disease of abnormal state of red blood cells, and ultimately the patient suffers from anemia. It is suggested that every year 7,000 babies are born with thalassemia, and at present the number of patients may be 1 lakh. Okay, it is suggested that every year 7,000 babies are born with thalassemia, and at present the number of patients may be 1 lakh. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. Okay, it is an autosomal recessive disorder. Autosomal recessive disorder. And there are 2 types of thalassemia: alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Okay, Middle East, China and Africa, alpha thalassemia, and beta thalassemia from Africa, America, Chinese. Okay, symptoms: the baby may die in the womb, and babies born with major thalassemia may suffer from anemia just after birth, up to 1 year of age. The patient must not eat iron enriched fruit and medicine. Okay, thalassemia patient cannot take iron. Okay, iron enriched food and medicine. If the liver is badly affected, other disease or jaundice can be initiated. The patient suffering from major thalassemia faces stress of life from age 20 to 30. Okay, 20 to 30. Then natural scientist Charles Darwin. Natural scientist, which country? Galapagos Island, England. Okay, Galapagos Island, Pacific Ocean, in the Pacific Ocean. Then Charles Robert Darwin. Okay, the name of the book is Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. How many years? 5 years. And the name of the ship is HMS Beagle. Okay. The name of the ship of Darwin, HMS Beagle. And how many years? 5 years. Wallace. And the name of the book, Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. And natural selection is the most important. Okay, what do you mean by natural selection? That's all, some MCQ and some important question for 1 and 2 nang question. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Kamrun Nahar.